Yeah, it's an art.
Keep Dojo from smelling like month-old zookeeper's heel?
What? I have a sensitive tummy.
Ew!
Kind of makes me glad I don't have any relatives.
Oh, no! You have burnt my nose!
All the nachos he can eat. Huh?
Dojo!
I can't find a better deal than that.
I never get sick, sir. I consume no less than 100 garlic cloves a day, whether I needs it or not.
Oh, even pilfering parents have a limit to what they'll put up with. Oh.
Just gather the truth. Oh! Oh, that is rancid. Buns.
I can taste
Powerful
it.
work, sir.
All right. Cabbage makes him gassy. Obviously, we should...
Give him the whole cabbage, right?
What? No!
Wow.
Yeah, he's not coming back anytime soon.
Oh, yeah, that. It's my nature, you know. Yeah.
Can you feel the power? Can you taste it?
Taste it? Oh! Food! Oi! Clean my teeth! There's stuff in the cracks!
Henceforth, oral hygiene is no longer my department.